So today, on our way out of Matagalpa and on our way to Granada, we actually stopped at Masaya National Volcano Park again. This is my second time here, but it never ceases to amaze me again. It's a giant, almost like quality these craters possess, and it's smoking sulfur and just community covered and just amazing stuff. And since the last time we were here, two people actually died. They were two passengers. One was standing underneath a little shelter, and the other went to go to the bathroom. And the one who went to go to the bathroom got struck by lightning and died, but the force actually threw the other man into the volcano, and then the fire department actually refused to go down and get the body. So there is a dead body at the bottom of this volcanic crater. So, fun story of the day. See y'all tomorrow.